Now that we've covered how to upload files and log into the National Student Clearinghouse's Transcript Center, let's learn to send student transcripts to one or multiple post-secondary institutions. Once logged into your Transcript Center user account, under Send Student Documents, you are able to send one student document to multiple requesters or send multiple student documents to one requester. For example, a student has applied to multiple post-secondary institutions and needs to send their transcript as part of the application process. Alternatively, you can use Send Multiple Student Documents if you receive a lot of requests from a specific requester and want to fulfill them all at once. Both of these processes are similar, so we will use the first example. To get started, select the option Send One Student Document from the Send Student Documents section. Under the Available Students section, students with documents already loaded into the Transcript Center are displayed. Select the radio button next to the student transcript you wish to send to another institution. In this example, let's select the radio button for John Smith. Please note, if you chose to send multiple student documents, checkboxes instead of the radio button will be available for you to select multiple student documents. You also have the option to select Add Attachment to include an additional file that needs to accompany this transcript. Once the desired student is selected, John Smith's details are populated in the Selected Students section. Now let's move on. Select the Next button. Under the Available Recipients section, select the recipients for John Smith's transcript. If you have previously successfully sent a student's transcript to another institution, the Most Frequently Used Recipients tab will identify recipients that you deliver transcripts to most often. You can also use the Secure PDF Recipient tab to specify an individual recipient email address. A unique tracking number and separate passcode will be sent to the recipient to log in and download the electronic transcript. If you have not yet delivered transcripts to any institutions via the Transcript Center, the Institutions tab will be presented by default for you to search for and designate the institution or institutions to which you wish to deliver the student's transcript. For this example, we will send the transcript to Hometown University. To search for Hometown University, type the name Hometown and press the Enter key on your keyboard. All institutions beginning with the word Hometown will display. In this case, only one institution was located. To deliver the student's transcript to the located institution, select the Select link. Although we are only delivering the student's transcript to Hometown University in this example, you may deliver a single student's transcript to multiple institutions by searching for and selecting more than one institution during this process. If you selected Send Multiple Student Documents, you can select one recipient. Once selected, the institution will display in the recipients list. Select Next to review and complete your transcript delivery. Review the details of your delivery to ensure that you will be delivering the correct student's transcript to the desired institution. You may include a message with your delivery. However, this is an optional feature. Select the Send button to complete the delivery process. The final page will display a confirmation of your transcript delivery. It includes a tracking number for each transcript delivered, which can be referenced to easily inquire about the status of any delivery. You may select Send Another Record to perform the process again for another student, or Done to return to your Transcript Center homepage. Please email our support team with questions and requests for additional education.